Okay, here's how you reprogram your sensors. Start the car. Shut off your radar detector. Have it idling in neutral. Go to where your tires are at. Notice mine are showing last night I had it where one tire was a different PSI. No. Once you get there, you want to hold on this button and it will chirp. Horn will chirp. Twice. Tire learning active. You come out here and you look for the turn signal that is lit. Bring this down here. I put it next to the tire. Hold the button. Now that light is out and that light is on. Do the same thing to each tire. Light went out. This light should be on now, and the other one should be off. This is on a 2018 Malibu. Now when it does this one, it will take a while and it'll chirp twice, I think. We will find out. And it updated everything. It all should be good now. Doesn't tell you anything on there. When it's done, it seems like it chirps. Driving it a little bit, first time I did it, it changed a lot, the tire pressure. So, yeah, that's how you do it. Amazon, $8.